A very good morning to all the children of class 4 and welcome to your English language class. So in the last video, children, we were doing the negative and positive sentences, that is chapter number 7, and we did the revision, and then we did page number 21, which is having the exercise, that is the change the positive sentence given below into negative sentence. Okay, so before I give you all the answers of that exercise, I have given all the answers of that exercise today. So before that, I would like all of you, rather we all will revise once the whole do, does and did, that is with positive and negative sentence first. Okay, so let us start. We use not with do, does and did to change the positive sentence into negative sentence. Read the positive and negative sentence given below. So positive sentence, number 1, I drink apple juice. I do not drink apple juice. So we all remember that I comes with do. He watches films. He comes with does. So he does not watch films. And since does is used, es drops. They play hockey. They do not play hockey. Simple. He knew me well. Knew is a past tense. So he did not know. Knew will become know and we will put a did. He did not know me well. Number 5. We played chess yesterday. Again a past tense because it's played. So ed will be dropped here, and since it's a past tense we will be adding did. So we played chess yesterday. We did not play chess yesterday. Number 6. She eats rice and curry. Got it? So she does not eat rice and curry. Eats become eat because does is used with she. Okay? Because we use does with she. So we will move on to page number 21. That is exercise. Number D. 1 to 6 we discussed in the last video, right? Yes, we all did it together. Today I'll give you the answers of these 6 first, and then 7, 8, 9 and 10, which you were supposed to do alone. If you have done it correct, when I give you the answer, you do the self-checking. If you have done it correct, put ticks and give a smiley to yourself. If it is correct, don't cheat. Okay? Chalo, let's start. Number 1. I played the piano every day. So the answer will be, let me do 3. So I played the piano every day is a positive sentence. Number 2, we eat rice and fish curry every day. Number 3, my friends gave me gifts. So the answer will be number 1, I do not play piano every day. Correct? I is used with do. We do not eat rice and fish curry every day. Okay? So we do not. Number 3, my friends did not give me gifts. Why? Did not, because my friends gave me gifts. Gave, it's a past form. So here when you change, it will become as give and did is used. Okay. We move on to number 4. I love sweets. I do not love sweets. I do not love sweets. Number 5. My best friend is upstairs. It's a little different because helping verb is used. So it will be my best friend is not upstairs, or my best friend is not there upstairs. Number 6. She baked a cake. She did not bake a cake. Did not, why? Because ed is used and it's a past form. So in the answer it will be did and followed by the present form, that is bake. Let's see. She did not bake a cake. Got it? Next is number 7. Subhash finds science easier than mathematics. So Subhash is he and we use does for he. Correct? And since we are using does, the s with the verb drops. Correct? So the answer will be Subhash does not find, there was s but here it is no s, find science easier than mathematics. Okay. Number 8, He wakes up early in the morning. Again the same sentence, same kind, 7 and 8 are same. So he does not wake up. Since he is there and we use does with he, when we used does with he, the S drops from the wake, that is from the verb. So the answer will be he does not wake up early in the morning. Done? Number 9 is the thieves stole all the money. Stole, past form. So it will be did and steal. So how we will arrange the sentence? That is, the thieves did not steal all the money. Correct? Number 10. He played with his friends yesterday. He did not play with his friends yesterday. This is very easy. We just have to put did, because played, which is past tense, and yesterday is also given, which is another example of that the sentence is past tense. Okay. So we got all the answers of page 21, and that is exercise number D. Now we will be moving on to exercise number E in page 22. Exercise number E in page 22. I hope you all are understanding till this much. You all have understood till this much. I will give you more exercises once we finish number E and F. I will give you extra so that it becomes easy for you and you can practice at home. So we will start with number 22, page number 22, E. Once we finish off E and F, then I will give you exercises to do. So let's start this. Change the following positive sentence into negative sentence. That is number 1, play in the sun. Now, all the sentence that is play in the sun, go in the dark, disturb other students, go for a walk, copy your answer, these all are, there is no subject to this sentence. So they are somewhere incomplete, but still they have a meaning to it. Okay. So let's see how we change it to negative. Play in the sun. We can use do not play in the sun. We can use please do not play in the sun. Okay. Go in the dark. We can use please do not go in the dark, or we can use do not go in the dark. Okay. Or we can use any name and then do it. Okay. Disturb other students. So we can write do not disturb other students, or we can write she does not disturb other students. See, it can it can be used both ways depending on what subject you put. Since we do not have any subject here, you can put any subject. She can become he. Any name, if you want to put Rohan, so it will be Rohan. If you want to put Seema, it will be Seema. Seema doesn't disturb other students. Rohan doesn't disturb other students. She doesn't disturb other students. So we are flexible here. We can use any subject, or we are flexible here to use any subject. Okay. Number 4, go for a walk. We did not go for a walk. Correct? Or go for a walk, do not go for a walk. Both are correct. Number 5, copy your answer. Please do not copy your answer. Okay. I have shown that it is used in all the forms. Okay. And also you can use the other forms in other sentences. It does not specify that in number 4 or in number 3, does and did both has to be used. Okay. It's no compulsory, because the subjects are not mentioned. It can vary. Okay. So now page number 22, number E is done. We are left with number F, which we will be doing it in the next video. Okay. Thank you everyone, and please practice at home. I'll give you more of worksheets, and also stay safe. Bye bye.